Look, he won't stay on his belly, will he? Will you stay on your belly?
Yes.
Will you? Uh-huh.
Hello.
Will you stay on your belly? I doubt it. Watch. Whee. How long will this last? Not very long.
Why?
He doesn't like his belly, does he? He wants to roll over. See? Right? What do you think about that?
Dad.
Hmm? Can you roll over? Let me see you roll over. Hmm? I know. Mm-hmm. Watch them both roll over. There goes the big one, there goes the little one. Right? Hmm? What do you think about that? Huh? What do you think? Hi. Hi. You want to do one more? Whee! Okay, ready? Here I come.